everything gonna be alright. We used to repeat this mantra until negative events take place. That time we understand what was needed to avoid them and how easy it was to do so. Thanks to university lectures, study texts and common practice, many of us used to assess risk of non-payment by customers' payment discipline. As long as we paid on time, there is no issue. This sounds reasonable. If customers pay us, they are solvent enough to do so. A major customer of my colleague used to pay their company with no delay, right until the date of bankruptcy filing. This brought a substantial and very unexpected loss to their business. A quick look at customers' financial statements made it clear that they were in technical bankruptcy for last 5 years. Unfortunately, this knowledge was too late to help. People used to think that credit analysis is difficult and complicated. In many senses it is, but you can protect your business without being a professional credit analyst. The simplest thing to do is a technical bankruptcy test. You just take a balance sheet and see if the liabilities exceed assets. If so, then voila! Your customer owes more than they have, so technically they are bankrupt. Whatever credit you grant them, you can lose any single moment of time. And if you still decide to work with such a company, at least you will do it consciously. And by the way, financial position of a business changes every day. So, customer who used to be creditworthy in past will not necessarily be so tomorrow. Don't forget to repeat this simple test regularly for all your customers. Bon predict.